Alright, so going to the gallery again. First I'm going to get a burger. I just hit 100 subs. Thanks guys. Really happy I finally got there. It's really hard to get to first 100 subs. If everyone knows, that's probably the hardest benchmark, and then of course 1,000 and up from there. So we'll see where it goes. Wish me luck. Thanks guys. So I'm here at the gallery. Today I'm going to do a Metal Mayhem painting. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. See you inside. Thanks. Alright, so now we're about ready to do the colors, so let's run through them. So you have here primary yellow, cadmium orange, phthalo blue, crimson red, titanium white, carbon black. So wish me luck. Thanks guys. Alright, so for the first layer I'm going to do kind of a yellow-orange layer. As I said before, the blue, purple, red doesn't really work, but the orange-yellow. A little bit of white to lighten it up, so I'll start there. Wish me luck. Alright, so we got the first layer down, nice yellow, orange, white background, a little bit of red, and I'm going to let that dry completely, and then we'll start on the blue reds. Check it out later. Alright, so I just finished up this. Zoom in here. Got some of the orange to blue. It's forming some purples there off to the side. And yeah, I think it's pretty good painting. Like how it turned out. Should have it up on eBay pretty soon here. And hope you guys see you around. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below. And hopefully share with your friends. Let me know if you've done abstract painting before. Alright, thanks for watching guys.